So this is what's turned up. It's a bucket. Now what I like about this bucket, it's full of goodies. So let's have a look and see exactly what we get for our 60 quid. And is it really worth 120 quid? Straight away, what I do like about this bucket, it's the screw lid. Look at this. Now what have we got in this bucket? We've got lots of these. And that's for your spray bottles. This is wheel and tire cleaner. Retail, I'm guessing that would cost you around about 10 quid. Oh yes, a mitt. But I'm guessing this mitt would have cost you, what, 5, 6 quid? And a large towel. I'm telling you now, folks, I think that's a good deal. Advanced glass cleaner. So this is a cloth for doing your windows. Another buffing towel. I mean, that does feel good, folks. I'm liking it. Super sheen for the windscreen. I'm guessing this is what you call the cheap and cheerful. You'd expect to probably pay around about a fiver for that, I guess. Blue velvet. So this is a shampoo. Now I'm looking at this saying, yeah, well, there's 10 quid. Citrus wash. Got to be worth about 10 quid. And for polishing, you got one of these. Cost about £1.50. Is it they always have to put glass cleaning because it's cheap and cheerful? But don't get me wrong, that'd still cost you a fiver. A ceramic quick detailer. Cost about 10 quid. Inside the bucket, you've got a grit guard, which costs about £7. Including the bucket, I think you've done well for 60 quid. So straight away, a good quality clear bucket will most likely cost you around about £10 or a little bit more. So have we got a good value for money? Now, originally this bucket would have cost you 120 quid, but £60 is what I paid. So is this good value or not? Yes, of course it is. And I think if you've got any sense, buy one. Now, before we go any further, this is a detailing bucket starter pack. And who doesn't like a bargain? Now, let's be fair. This is not a sales pitch for AutoBright Direct. I've purchased this all myself out of my own money. I just wanted to see realistically, if we do get what we pay for, is this a real bargain or not? And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And later on, we'll be trying out all these little goodies to see what they're like. Laters!